Hey, welcome back to the Weekly Word Outdoor Adventure Time. We're in a very busy place in the outdoors here today. We're in the almost downtown Cleveland, I guess you'd say, at the Village Green. Lots of nice shops and restaurants here. Right behind us, you see Keith Street, South Lee Highway, Mouse Creek right here behind me. We're just a few hundred feet from an obscure little sign up here that's got an interesting bit of information on it historically. Today, Bradley County, Tennessee's got a population of something like 110 plus thousand people. But in 1911, I don't know what the population of the county would have been then, but according to the sign, there was 6,000 people stood right here on this spot because they wanted to see something that was of great interest to them. It was October the 5th, 1911. And they heard that a flying machine was coming to Cleveland, Tennessee. And they all gathered right here, and they watched 3 different flights. About every hour they took off and fly around and land again, according to the sign, 300 feet west of that sign, which looks to me like it would have been on the other creek bank, probably about where the traffic's running today, if that's correct, in my measurement guesstimate there. But it's just amazing to me that in 1911, 6,000 people come here and stood gawking up into the sky to see the first airplane that came to Cleveland, Tennessee. It's hard to imagine, isn't it? But did you know that there's another event coming like that the Bible talks about? And one of these days, people may hear what they think's a low rumble or something, and everybody walk outside and turn their faces toward the skies and find out that rumble was the last trumpet. And the Lord's coming back, and him who liveth forever and ever, he says he descends from him and swears that there'll be time no more. That'll be a happy day for the Christians, but it'll be a sad, sad day if you procrastinated and never got saved. So make sure you've got everything taken care of right now. Not tomorrow, not tonight, but right now. Make sure that you've made your peace with God. And thanks for joining us today. Hope to see you again next week, Lord willing, on the Weekly Word Outdoor Adventures.